Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the battery percentage on the status bar. So in this device you can see the battery percentage on the status bar, you can see here, right? So let me show you how to enable this one. Simply go to settings, tap on notification and status bar, then tap on status bar. So here you can see the option battery percentage. Tap on this one, then you can see three options inside the battery icon. Then you can see the battery percentage inside the battery icon. If you want to view the battery percentage outside the battery icon, then select the second one. If you don't want to view the battery percentage, then select the option don't show. So let me show you. Now I am going to select the option, the first one, inside the battery icon. Now you can see battery percentage is inside the battery icon. So I am going to select the second one, outside the battery icon. Now you can see. If you tap on don't show, now you can see the battery percentage is not there. So simply in this way you can enable the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.